Hello, dear traveler. Recently, I've been talking with some of my friends, artists, musicians, writers, and I wanted to know one thing. What helps you when you feel creatively blocked? Everyone had their own ways of moving through those moments, and I found their answers so honest. So, I gathered them, their thoughts, their small rituals, the things that brought inspiration back, and I wanted to share them with you. Maybe something here will resonate or help you find your own rhythm again. Let's begin. Tool 1. Release the pressure to create. When we start telling ourselves that we have to make something, that we need to be productive or inspired, creativity starts to hide. Pressure makes it harder to hear the quiet voice of inspiration. Instead of forcing it, allow yourself to pause. Step away. Rest. Go for a walk. Notice colors, sounds, light, or silence. These are not distractions. They're gentle invitations. Inspiration often comes when you stop chasing it and start simply living again. Tool 2. Reconnect with your why. We sometimes forget what first drew us to create. The reason behind the art, the music, the writing. Ask yourself what moved you in the beginning. Maybe it was curiosity. Maybe healing. Maybe the need to express something words couldn't hold. When you return to that original feeling, you remember that creativity isn't about perfection or approval. It's about connection to yourself, to others, to the moment that inspired you in the first place. Tool 3. Let yourself feel boredom. We rarely allow ourselves to feel bored anymore, but boredom creates space. It's like clearing the clutter so something new can arrive. When you sit in stillness, without reaching for your phone or filling every second, your mind starts to wander again. And in that wandering, new ideas begin to appear. Boredom is not the absence of creativity. It's the soil where imagination grows. Tool 4. Shift your energy. Move your body. When the body is tense, the mind becomes heavy. Energy that doesn't move becomes a block. Try moving, stretch, breathe deeply, take a slow walk, or dance without structure. The goal isn't performance, it's release. Movement reminds your creativity that life is still flowing. When your body opens, your ideas begin to move again too. Tool 5. Change your environment. Sometimes, the space you create in holds old energy. When everything looks and feels the same, inspiration can grow quiet. Try working in a new spot, by a window, outside, in a cafe, or even just rearranging your space. Add light, scent, or sound that feels alive to you. When your surroundings wake up, your imagination does too. Tool 6. Nourish yourself with beauty. When inspiration fades, it can help to stop trying to create and start receiving instead. Listen to music that moves you. Read poetry. Watch a film that stirs something in your heart. Let beauty refill you, not as a task, but as nourishment. When your spirit feels full again, creativity flows effortlessly. Sometimes what you need isn't to make something, it's to feel something. Tool 7. Create without expectation. Make something messy, strange, or imperfect. Something you know no one will ever see. Draw with the wrong hand. Write nonsense. Sing off key. When you take away the need to be good, your creativity exhales. Playfulness is freedom. Often, what you create when you stop caring about outcomes ends up being the most honest, the most alive. Tool 8. Let go of comparison. Comparison steals joy faster than failure ever could. It's easy to look at what others are doing and think, they're ahead of me. But everyone's creative rhythm is different. You are not behind. You are simply in your own season. When you stop comparing, you start hearing your true voice again. And that's where your real art lives. Tool 9. Return to play and curiosity. Remember how it felt to create as a child, before you worried about results or rules? That sense of curiosity still lives inside you. Experiment, explore, do things for fun again. Let your creativity be led by wonder instead of judgment. Curiosity opens doors that logic never can. When you create just because it feels good, inspiration always finds you there. Tool 10. Trust the rhythm of creativity. Creativity has seasons. There are times of growth and expression, and times of stillness and quiet. Both are sacred. Trust that your inspiration will return in its own time. It always does. The stillness is not the end. It's the inhale before the next creation. Keep showing up gently to life, to beauty, to yourself. You're not losing creativity. You're simply becoming someone new, and your art will meet you there. Final words. So, my dear traveler, these are the things I've gathered. Small, human reminders from creative souls finding their way through stillness. Your creativity hasn't left you. It's just resting, waiting for the right moment to return. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What helps you when you feel creatively blocked? Do you have little rituals, small things that bring your spark back to life? Share them in the comments. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today.